we're going to uncover the secrets of the image viewer, InstaMAT's interface for looking at 2D image content. To load an image into the image viewer, you can right-click on it and choose View Image Output. If a node has multiple outputs, you'll be able to pick which one you'd like to see. An even faster way of doing this is by left-clicking on the output pin. This also works for inputs. Once an image has been loaded, the image viewer will automatically scale it to fit the size of the UI. To turn this off, you can click the Scale Image Automatically button. This will view the image at a 1:1 ratio. To pan, you can left-click and drag. And to zoom, you can right-click and drag up and down. You can also zoom using the middle mouse wheel. Depending on whether you're using a Mac or a PC, you might need to hold down Shift to toggle the desired functionality. You'll notice that the bottom left corner updates with the current scale percentage as well as the size. If you'd like to recenter and scale the image back so that it fits to the UI, you can hit F to focus, or you can click the crosshair icon. There are two ways to save images out of the image viewer. You can click the disk icon to save out a file, or copy the image viewer contents to the clipboard. The RGBA buttons allow you to solo a particular channel. This is useful for many reasons. One of them being if you are planning to pack different forms of information into the red, green, blue, or alpha channels of an image output. This is also known as channel packing. Speaking of alpha, when an image contains alpha information, the image viewer can show a checkerboard background to provide visual feedback. You can turn this on or off using the checkerboard icon. If you need to check the tiling of an image, click the box icon to decide between a grid or a cross layout. You can also highlight the center tile to check where the edge of the image is. Useful if you're using Mat's tools to make images seamless. The image viewer also allows you to view multiple images in tabs. To open an image in a new tab, right-click the node and choose View Image in New Tab. You can then choose one of the node's outputs. Tabs make it easy for you to view all the output channels of a material. You can also use tabs to perform A/B testing. All of these features and more make the image viewer one of the essential tools in texture and material creation. We hope that this quick tip unraveled some of the secrets of the image viewer. If you're interested in more quick tips like these, as well as other useful videos and tutorials from InstaMAT, check out our YouTube channel. We've got lots of content for you to explore, including the image viewer's counterpart, the 3D viewport. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about InstaMAT, please visit our website and follow us on Twitter. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.